other than to be educated, most respected guests of honor, barangay officials headed by Honorable Maribel C. Hospitales, beloved teachers, dear parents, fellow graduates, friends, good afternoon. Today, our graduation day has come. The feelings of joy and self-fulfillment reign in our hearts, for we have reached the end of our long journey. Our graduation is the beginning of a new tomorrow, the start of a new life for us. I wish to express my heartfelt thanks to the following: to our dear alma mater, with pride and sincerity, we dedicate to you our certificate of graduation. Thank you for sheltering us for 3 long hazardous years. To our loving teachers, we recognize your sincere effort and dedicated service in shaping our minds. We will always remember you. Continue to shape the minds of our younger brothers and sisters. To my beloved parents, I am very happy and proud to say in front of my fellow graduates and visitors that you are my parents. And for the unending love and care, mommy and daddy, education is the only treasure that I can give to both of you. I promise to study hard for my future. I love you. To our Almighty God the Father, for showering us an abundant blessings of wisdom and knowledge, and for directing us in our right path. To our guests and visitors, thank you for sharing this memorable day with us. Fellow graduates, congratulations and God bless us all. Welcome at Mabuhay tayong lahat.